This is question for problem solving 10A. Mrs. Tyler bought a new oven, a dishwasher, and a new refrigerator for her kitchen. The price of the oven was $729. The price of the dishwasher was $515. The price of the refrigerator was $962. What was the difference between the combined prices of the oven and dishwasher and the price of the refrigerator? So I need to find the total cost of the oven and the dishwasher, and I will subtract that from the refrigerator. So 9 plus 5 is 14, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. That's the total cost of the oven and dishwasher. So now I'm going to subtract the refrigerator, which costs $962. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 6, I can't do that, so I have to regroup. 14 minus 6 is 8. 1 minus 9 I can't do, so I have to regroup. 11 minus 9 is 2. So I have $282 is the difference of the price. So my answer is D. These next examples are from the fractions packet for question number 10, and then questions 1 through 3 of the next pages. Question number 10. The shaded portion of the models below represent two fractions. These models best represent that. So the first thing you do is write a fraction for each picture. So count all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with 3 shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, with 3 shaded. First thing you do is I look to see which answer choices use those numbers. So I need 3/8 and 3/4. F is out. J is out. So now I have to compare G and H. So let's look at G. I'm going to do the butterfly. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 8 is 24. You put the same symbol, which is greater than. So 12 is greater than 24 is not a true statement. Let's go to H. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 8 is 24. Put the same symbol. 12 is less than 24, so that would be my correct answer. Question number 1. Which of the following models shows less than 5/8 shaded? So the first thing you need to do is show a fraction for each model. For A, count all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 parts with 6 shaded. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts with 5 shaded. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts with 5 shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts with 5 shaded. I need to compare each of these to my original fraction, which is 5/8. So put 5/8 next to each one. And it says that my original model has to be less than, so we need the less than symbol inside. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see my numbers, and I can tell right now that D is out because 5/8 is exactly the same as 5/8, so the symbol less than is incorrect. So D is out. The other one that I want to look at is A, because the two denominators are exactly the same. So I just need to look at the numerators. So is 6 less than 5? No, that is not true. So A is also incorrect. For my other two choices, the denominators are different, so I need to go ahead and compare them by using the butterfly method. So let's do 5/8, or 5 times 8, which is 40. 5 times 6, which is 30. Put the same symbol inside. So 40 is less than 30. That is not a true statement. Let's go to choice C. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. So put the same symbol inside. 40 is less than 50. That is a true statement. Question number 2. Jacqueline purchased a basket of mixed fruit at the grocery store containing apples, oranges, and pears. In her basket, less than 3/5 of the fruits are apples. Which model does not show less than 3/5 apples? So again, the first thing you need to do is you need to find out the total number of fruits for each picture and how many of those fruits are apples. So for F, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total fruits, with 3 of them being apples. Letter G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total fruits. 2 are apples. H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total fruit, and 3 are apples. J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total fruits, and 3 are apples. I need to compare each one of them to 3/5. So let's put 3/5 next to each fraction. And it has to be less than, so put the less than symbol. And if you read the question carefully, I want to find the one that does not show. So automatically, just looking, I see that choice J, the two fractions are exactly the same. So I know that the symbol less than is not correct. So since I'm looking for the answer that's not correct, my guess is that my choice is going to be J. But to verify, let's go ahead and do the butterfly method. So 3 times 5 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. So is 15 less than 18? Yes, that's true. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. So is 10 less than 15? Yes, that is also true. And then the last one, 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 3 is 21. 15 is less than 21. That is true. So the only one that is not correct would be choice J. Question number 3. On which number line does point S represent a fraction that is greater than 1/4? So on these number lines, what I have to do is I have to go through and count all the little lines. So for A, this is number 1, number 2, number 3. So that means there are 3 parts. So I write my fractions. Line B, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So each fraction is going to be a fifth. Line C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each fraction is going to be an eighth. And the last one, line D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each fraction is a sixth. So I need to find which fraction is greater than 1/4. So for line A, the S is equal to 1/3. I need to compare that to 1/4. And the answer should be greater than. For B, I need to compare to 1/5 is greater than 1/4. For C, 1/4 is greater than 1/4. And D, 1/6 is greater than 1/4. So I can tell by looking at the fractions that C is going to be incorrect because both fractions are equal and my symbol is less than. So C is out. So now you just need to go through and you need to do the butterfly method and compare. So 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Is 4 greater than 3? Letter B, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. Is 4 greater than 5? And letter D, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 6 is 6. Is 4 greater than 6? So the only one that has a true statement would be choice A.